In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for, so your books reflect the correct home currency for your business. Before we jump in, a quick note on why this matters. Your home currency affects how your reports, dashboards, and totals display across QuickBooks Online. It's the baseline currency used for your financial statements and many default settings. Choosing the correct one keeps your profit and loss, balance sheet, and bank balances accurate and easy to understand. Also, keep in mind that in some accounts, especially if multicurrency has been turned on, the home currency may be locked. If you see that it can't be changed, it's likely due to that setting, so proceed carefully and check with your accountant if you're unsure. Let's get started from the QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look to the top right corner of your screen for the small gear icon. It looks like a little cog, and it opens your settings. Click it to open the menu. From the menu, select Account and Settings. This is where you manage your company's core preferences. When it opens, you'll see a navigation panel on the left side. In that left panel, choose the Advanced tab. This section includes deeper company preferences like accounting, automation, and of course, currency. Take a moment to let the page load fully so you see all the options. Now scroll down until you reach the currency section. This is where you can change the home currency for your company. You'll see the current home currency displayed and an option to select a different one from the list. Pick the currency that matches the country where your financial reporting and taxes are primarily managed. For example, choose US dollar if your books are in the United States, British pound if you're in the United Kingdom, and so on. Make sure you select the currency you truly want to use going forward, because this setting influences how your totals and reports are calculated. If QuickBooks prompts you to confirm the change, review the message and proceed. That's all there is to it. Once the home currency is updated, give your page a moment to refresh. A helpful tip is to review a key report, like your profit and loss, just to confirm that amounts and currency symbols now display as expected. If anything looks off, revisit the currency section to verify your selection. Thanks for watching. If this helped, you're all set to keep your books consistent and accurate with the correct home currency in QuickBooks Online.